Alright, here we go, and we're going to make a new file. This is going to be for the hinge, so we set our sizes to 2 inches, 6 inches. Our workpiece is ½ an inch thick, and we are going to set our offset to negative 8.75 and in the x direction and negative 1.125 in the y. That gives us this height here. And our circle should show up like this. Just going to hit OK. And then we're going to import our AutoCAD file. Just going to go down to where the AutoCAD file is. There it is there, CNC Hinge. And as you can see, the circle is inside the crosshairs here. Some of you might have had it coming up over here or anywhere else. That's when you need to go back in AutoCAD and change that the 00 is inside the circle here. One of the first steps we're going to do is just click inside the box here, and we're going to hit J on our keyboard, or I can edit join vectors. And we can see I have 4 open loops, 1 closed one. The closed one would be the circle, and I'm going to hit join. And if I do another selection, it should just say there's no open loops here. And there's 2 closed loops. This is one, and this here is the other. I'm just going to toggle to the other toolbar over here. Just going to make sure that it's pinned there. And I will do a profiling toolpath. Make sure my cut depth is 0.5, not 1 inch. And make sure that I am selecting the 0.1875. That is a 3/16 mil bit. Set it at 1/4 inch depth, 0.075 step over, 40 inches per minute, and 10 on the plunge rate. And it is tool number 1. I'll just click OK to that. And I want to add some tabs to the toolpath. Just make sure they're 3D tabs. ½ inch is fine, 1/8 thickness is great. And I'm going to just select where I have my tabs going, like that. I will hit close here, and final step is to scroll to the bottom here, and we'll just hit calculate. And let's just see what we got. And there is our toolpath. Just like that. Just gonna close that and select my file, and I will save my toolpath. And in the big long list, I am choosing the Mach 2.3 arcs inch, and I will save that toolpath onto my M drive in a engineering folder, and I will call it my name. And I will call this CNC Hinge, just like that. And it's going to save it as a TXT file like that. Once we have that saved, we are going to copy that onto the USB key, which will be coming around. And it will be over here on the E drive, and we will just hit save on that. Make sure it's a copy on your M drive first. Once you've done that, you can hit close, save the file. Oops, now onto your M drive. This is different than this save here, which just exports the code. Okay, you definitely do want to save the working file onto your M drive as well. Okay, that's it.